Hello guys, again we are back with a new unboxing, reviewing and testing of these accessories. You can use them with the performance line. Check out the videos right in the corner. First we have the Parkside Performance High Performance Wood Drill Bit Set, 6 pieces included inside. Made from high quality, high speed steel HSS for pieces drilling and hardwood or softwood. Nice. Next we've got the multi-purpose drills bit set, performance line and that, with a ground hard metal plate for concrete, ceramic tiles, sheet metal, aluminium, light building materials, wood or plastic. Nice. We are going to give a try those to see how they work. Next we've got the Parkside, 37 pieces included inside. There is a performance torsion bit set. Extremely robust, ideal for electric screwdrivers. 50% longer lifespan of the bit head compared to the standard bit set from Parkside. And the other is the Parkside Performance Torsion Bit and Socket Set. 39 pieces included inside. And again, extremely robust, ideal for electric screwdrivers, longer lifespan. Compared to the standard bit set from Parkside. Some specs in here. Nice box. This is for your belt. You carry on wherever you're going. The same here and that box. Nice. Let's see what we have inside. The wood. Nice plastic case. And it stands just like that. Oh. Very sharp, I can feel it here. I'm sure it will do a nice job. We're going to check out on a wood. And you can see here what it says. It fills a performance line of these accessories, yeah. Next for concrete and other materials. Same here. I can see they just painted. It comes out just for, seems a little bit different from the others, but I'm sure the material it's better. We're gonna find out in that. $39 pieces included. Nice box. Now the bits are in gold color. Now we've got 8 socket bits, you can see, and to use them, just pull that and install here. That's very convenient. That tool makes for 2, and then if you pull it more, you can install the bits. It's very convenient. We have some Phillips hex bits, we have floated bits, we have some Torx internal bits, and then we've got Torx internal tamper-proof pin. And the other are the hex socket Allen internal. That's nice. Let's move on to the other. And here we've got the same accessory. You can pull it. Of course, the use for that, we don't have any socket set, only for the bits. So nice. And here we've got some Phillips again, some slotted Allen, Torx internal tamper-proof, and Torx internal. They cost 12 and 12 euros and 6 and 6 euros. Well, let's perform some tests to see how they work. And here we are. I have chosen the drilling for the wood is the 8mm. Let's see how it goes. Very fast. Ooh, that's fast. That's a very performance drilling bit. Now next step is to use these screws. I'm using this socket. Just pull that and install drilling mode. Let's start with that. Very easy. That's very fast. Next, let's test the Phillips bit. Take that all the way out, install. Very easy. Now I have this tile and I will use this multi-purpose drill bit set. Let's go to the 10 millimeters. Drilling mode. Start for the first gear. Slower. Tile is a fragile, you need to go slow. Let's go to the second gear. And you can see this is a hole. It's nice. Now let's give it a try another one. Again, slow. Second gear. And we're good. Like this. Nice. Well guys, that was all about these performance accessories. The Torsion bit set and sockets set, the high performance wood drill bit set, and for the concrete, great job. Right in the corner you can see some of the performance tools that I made, included and this. If you need something like that to your tool collection, well, just buy it. The price is great. This is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like or dislike my videos, your choice. Share this video, you never know who may need it. And hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.